Imagine there is a life after waste. Imagine reinventing our economy, making it more sustainable and stimulating innovation in recycling. Imagine there is a project created to face this great challenge. Life M3P is a European project created to promote exchanging of industrial waste among the companies of industrial districts. An industry's waste can become a secondary raw material for another company. In a perfect vision of circular economy and industrial symbiosis. The Life M3P project runs in Italy, Belgium, Greece and Spain.
The aim of the project is to develop a system for industrial waste valorization in order to reduce landfill, storage and transport of this waste. In this way, we can reduce the environmental impact of the industrial production. In the same time, we can support small and medium enterprises in achieving materials efficiency.
Companies, notably small and medium enterprises, need support to manage scraps and byproducts in order to face legislation and technical aspects. M3P approach enhances the exploitation of waste and waste management in local industrial districts, promoting the collaboration among all industries.
To achieve this great challenge, it is necessary to match materials, waste, companies, ideas and technologies. The M3P platform is this matching place.
The material matchmaking platform is the powerful and innovative tool of the Life M3P project. It is an online database collecting materials and technologies to help companies to give a second life to their waste, but also to find technologies and ideas perfectly fulfilling their market needs. The first line of investigation followed by the project was the technological one.
We've studied more than 100 waste coming from several industrial sectors such as plastics, textiles, construction, wood and so on, considering their mechanical, chemical, ecological and aesthetic characteristics. More than 20 possible matches have been identified, and among these we've developed 12 pilot cases, 6 in Italy, 2 in Belgium, 2 in Greece and 2 in Spain. On the basis of the analysis of the pilot cases, we developed 4 business cases, and from one of these, a new company came up in Spain.
The name of this company is Reciclajes del Cantábrico, Redecan. It deals with recycling of stony and non-stony waste for construction sector. It has been thanks to the collaboration among an excavation and demolition company, 2 waste management companies, and a waste transport company.
It has been possible to install a recycling plant for cleaning, classificate and crushing of construction and demolition waste for its transformation to recycled aggregates. We estimate this new company can get between 50 and 60,000 tons of waste with a 90% of recycling rate for the production of recycling aggregates.
The Life M3P project also developed a creative approach.
Within the project Life M3P, Material Connection Italia was in charge to involve young designers in experimenting a creative approach in using industrial waste materials as a secondary raw material. Caught the opportunity to collaborate with Life M3P by offering their students this design challenge for a circular economy. Thanks to the Life M3P platform, over 50 materials have been identified and selected as suitable for this experimentation, of which the 150 students involved in the activity explored and analyzed 26 waste materials for new innovative applications, recognizing the opportunities their current waste material can offer if considered raw material for a second life.
Every end is a new beginning.